Tired of mailing checks? Let's get that Fairstone Best Buy bill paid online, fast and easy. First, head over to Fairstone.ca. You'll want to make sure you're on the official website. Look for the little padlock icon in your browser bar to confirm it's secure. Now, locate and click on the My Account button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. Enter the username and password you created when you registered your Fairstone account. If you haven't registered yet, there will be a link to do so, typically labeled Register or Create Account. Follow the instructions there before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll be at your account dashboard. You should see your available credit, current balance, and options for making a payment. Look for a button or link that says Make a Payment. It might also say Pay Bill or similar. Click on it. Now you'll enter your payment details. First, specify the amount you want to pay. You can choose the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. Next, you'll need to enter your banking information. This includes your bank name, transit number, and account number. This information is usually found on a check or through your bank's online portal. Double-check everything you entered is correct. Review all the payment details carefully on the confirmation screen. Make sure the amount, date, and banking information are all correct. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to process your payment. You should then receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment was successful. You might also receive an email confirmation for your records. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Fairstone Best Buy bill online.